timeout chair. The worst place to be when you go to timeout. It all started when, well, just now.
Eat the peanut butter. No, 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 no! No! No, no, no! Eat the peanut butter. No, no, no. Eat the peanut butter. Eat it the right way. Maggie! Eat the peanut butter the right way. Eat the peanut butter the right. No! No! The peanut butter! Ah! No! My peanut butter. Ah!